Currency begins not in vaults, but in fields grown for precision.
Only specific long fiber cotton qualifies for secure currency paper. From the start, every movement is monitored and controlled.
Currency paper is produced in facilities few ever see.
Every fiber is examined before it earns its role.
Purity here defines durability later.
Cotton transforms from fiber into the foundation of trust.
Every batch is tracked, measured, and logged. This is where currency takes its first physical shape.
The blank canvas of money is now ready for its next transformation. Every sheet now enters a zone where access is controlled.
Even skilled hands move only with authorization. Temperature and moisture are regulated to microscopic limits.
This is where complexity replaces blankness.
Each plate carries detail, invisible to the untrained eye.
Color consistency is not artistic, it is absolute.
The system breathes before it moves.
Alignment here prevents failure later.
Nothing advances without proof of perfection. The identity of money is now being stamped into matter.
Ink must settle before security can be added.
Stability here preserves clarity for decades. Layers are built, not rushed. Security begins where eyesight fails. Protection is woven, not added.
Once embedded, it cannot be removed.
Identity is hidden in transparency.
Every feature must reveal itself on command.
No two notes will share a path. Each bill now carries its own identity. Precision now operates beyond human sight. Some colors are designed to move with light. Motion reveals what static vision cannot. Some defenses exist only in hidden spectra. Authenticity must respond to every test. Nothing passes without being recorded. Security is sealed under pressure and time. Perfection is enforced, not assumed.
Security complete. Refinement begins.
Accuracy now defines every edge.
Size is not negotiable at this stage.
Anything extra is immediately eliminated.
Individual identity now takes physical form.
Order replaces motion.
Stability is preserved between hands and machines.
Machines assist, but judgment remains human.
Uniformity prepares them for trust.
Every bundle carries a recorded history.
Before release, proof must be verified. Trust is earned only after verification.
Strength must endure years of circulation.
Ink must remain loyal to the paper.
Security hides in details too small to fake.
Authenticity responds to every spectrum. Identity is confirmed beyond doubt. Some are sacrificed to protect the rest.
Release requires responsibility.
Verified notes return to the flow.
Proof complete. Distribution begins.
The final stage prepares currency for the world.
Protection continues beyond production.
Every package knows where it belongs.
Order ensures accountability.
Finished currency rests under watchful systems.
Nothing moves without confirmation.
The final journey begins under protection.
Distribution is as controlled as creation.
From field to vault, the process is complete. And this is how modern factories produce the world's most secure currency from start to finish.